birthday, Matet.
Happy birthday, Matit! More cake to slice. God bless. I thank you.
Hi, Tita Matet. Happy birthday. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Chef Matet. God bless you. And I wish you all the best. And sana yung Mr. Right mo makilala na namin soon. God bless you. Bye. Take care.
Hi, Tita Matet. Happy birthday. We wish you more birthdays to come. God bless you. We love you.
Hi, ang pinakamalditang Ana na nakilala ko. Charot. Happy birthday, ate. Thank you for everything sa help nyo kay ate Jan. Simula pa lang. Thank you. Ingat kayo palagi and enjoy your day. God bless.
Hello, Ann. Happy birthday! Sana nandiyan kami para nakatikman kami ng cake mo na masarap. Happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi. Ingat kayo na dyan lahat. God bless!
Hi, Matet! Hi, Matet!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na kaya, ha? Happy birthday! We wish you all the best and
Good health.
good health always. Sana pagbalik namin dyan, meron ka ng
Boyfriend.
Mr. Right.
Boyfriend.
Kantahan na lang na tunay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Keep safe always and we missed you.
Happy birthday, Mareng! Happy birthday, Mareng, Matet, Barbie. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo today.
Happy birthday sa Matet ng aming buhay. Ilan taon ka na ba? 33? 34? 35? Hindi, joke. In a serious note, you know, I'm very proud of your progress and your journey on becoming an independent and matured woman. Sobrang kita ko yan, development mo na yan. I always honor your generous heart, especially to your family and to your friends. Also, I honor your strength in facing life's challenges. Sobrang bilib ako sa determination mo on achieving your goals in your life. I'm always here for you, Anna, and I'm always grateful to have you as my friend for a very long time already. I'm praying for your health, and I'm asking for God's provision to you always and your protection there sa Singapore, and I'm praying for your heart's innermost desires. Alam mo na ako ano yun. So, yun lang. Enjoy your day. Have a blast, Anna. I miss you and I love you. Bond soon. Bye!
Hi, Anna. Happy birthday. So, I wish that you'll continue to be sobrang bait and sobrang thoughtful na friend. Sana magkita na tayo soon and sana matikman ko na yung mga binibake mo. Happy birthday, Anna. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Ninong Ana. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, Ninong Ana. I love you very much. Ingat. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mare. Happy birthday. I hope and we hope na ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. And sana marami pang blessings na dumating sa'yo at sa family. Good health. And ingat tayo palagi. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Lalo na nandyan ka, malayo ka with your family. alagaan ng sarili. Okay? And of course, sana magka-love life ka na. Happy birthday, Mare. We hope na sana magkita tayo ulit soon, and I believe na malapit na yun. Okay? Na makita mo na yung inaanak mo na super daldal na, and I'm looking forward to see you again, to see our barkada again. Maraming salamat sa lahat, and enjoy your day because you deserve it. Okay, pahinga ang sarili. Huwag masyadong ma-stress sa trabaho. Okay? And happy birthday, Mare. We love you. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Ana Marie. So, sayang hindi matutuloy yung natin. Yung reunion natin. Yung kaming reunion na tayo-tayo lang yung pupunta. Pero sana matapos na to para makapunta na ako dyan para makabili yung iPad. Pero char lang. Para magkita-kita na tayo at makauwi na kayo dito. Happy birthday! Miss ko na kayo. Bye!
Hi, Anna. This is Ate Joma wishing you great blessings of love, happiness, and good health on your birthday. Always take care I'm in Breivik Mission, Alaska. Bye.
Hello, Ana Marie Pedrera, of course. Di ako mawawala. And I'm just here to just drop by a very quick message and just to say my happy birthday to you, and I hope that all your aspirations and wishes in life will come true. And stay safe, stay strong, and stay healthy, most especially during this difficult time. And I hope to see you soon, hopefully after this COVID. We haven't seen each other for like, I think decades now. And yeah, you know where to message me, you know where to call me if you need anything. Just let me know. And I love you and I miss you. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Aina. Alam mo, pinilit lang talaga ako dito. Nakainis. Wala nga akong time eh. Well, happy birthday. Sana magbagong buhay ka na, magpakabait ka na, mabuting tao ka na. Ingatan mo sarili mo. Huwag ka magpapa-COVID.
Ayun, naputol. Meron kasing usisero sa gilid ko eh. Well, Ana, next time mo na lang kami blow out ni Malu pagdating namin dyan. Saka, eto, dahil birthday mo, ikaw ang pinakamaganda, pinaka-sexy, the best. Ikaw na talaga, ikaw na pinagpala. Saranghe!
Happy birthday, Ana!
Happy birthday, Anna Banana.
We miss you.
And we love you.
Sana makadalaw ka dito.
Sana makadalaw kami dyan.
Have a good day.
Hi, Anna. Greetings from Melbourne. Well, today is your birthday, so I guess I have to be extra nice to you. So expect that for a couple of minutes, all you're going to hear is just pure kindness from me, which is very unusual. Dead joke lang. Grabe ka. Lagi ako mabait kaya sa'yo. Okay, where do I start? Well, we've known each other for 14 or 15 years already, and I must say that you've always been that reliable, kind, loyal, and genuine friend to me. And although we are different in so many ways, we've managed to hit it off. We've managed to have that kind of friendship anyone could ever ask for. Every day, I thank the Lord for having someone like you in my life. Thank you. Thank you for laughing with me, for tolerating my crazy moments, my quirks, and for, of course, for choosing to stick around even if you didn't have to. Maraming salamat for making me a part of your life. For a lot of people who do not really know you, you seem to be a toffee, you know? Parang snabera, mahirap i-approach. But for us who know you, we know that you just look tough on the outside, but you are definitely a softie on the inside. You are someone who knows how to love and value someone the moment that person becomes a part of your life. Your family and friends are very lucky to have you. Maraming salamat for just being awesome. Yes, you are awesome. Happy birthday to you, Anna. You deserve all the love and happiness in the world. I wish I was there to celebrate your birthday. But unfortunately, hindi pwede. I'm just looking forward to the day that you'll get to visit me and Brian. That's it. Happy birthday. I hope you have a very nice celebration with our friends there. Always stay safe. I love you.
Say happy birthday. Say birthday to you. Let's sing happy birthday then. 1, 2, 3. Let's sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, let's sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You clap your hand. Again. Ayan, dahil ayaw magpa-video ni Brycey, so, yan, ako na lang magna-message. Happy 13th birthday, Matet. Teenager ka na. Pwede ka na magka-boyfriend. Ayan, wish ko that ngayong birthday mo, sana magkaroon ka na ng boyfriend at mag-asawa ka na kasi hindi ka na bumabata, te. Ayan, stay healthy and God bless always.
Matet, happy birthday! I hope you will enjoy your birthday today to the fullest. Alam ko naman na maraming hinanda si Mother Earth at ang the rest of the gang and the girls for your birthday today. I hope you all the best, success, and especially good health when it comes to love life. Hindi kita ipipressure dyan kasi kusang darating naman yan eh. And I know you're so happy being single as of this time. Basta, yun lang, mag-ingat palagi, good health, and I hope all your dreams will come true. Nax! Happy birthday, I love you! See you soon! Mwah, mwah!
Happy birthday, Anna! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Ate Hanan. Sana madami pang blessing dumating sa God bless.
Ay, happy birthday, Ninang Ganda. Wish you all the best and God bless. At sana madami pang blessing na dumating sa'yo. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Ate Ann. Happy birthday. Maghanap ka na ng boyfriend mo and then more blessings to come. Stay safe. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, Ate Ann. Thank you sa lahat ng libre.
Happy birthday, Anna Marie. I wish you all the luck in your life and hope that all your dreams will come true. Basta, don't forget, always share your blessing as you always do with us. And thank you very much for all. Happy birthday again. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday. I hope mag-enjoy ka sa karawan mong ito. 31 ka na. I hope mahanap mo na si Mr. Right. At proud ako sa iyo sa mga narating mo sa buhay. Hindi lang ako, lahat ng pamilya natin. Sana huwag kang magbabago at ipatuloy mo ang iyong kabaitan. Alam ko na mababait kang bata mula noon pa. At sana lagi mong huwag mo pababayaan ang iyong sarili, katawan mo. Lagi mong alagaan na huwag kang magkasakit. Alam mo naman buhay OFW, walang tutulong sa atin kundi tayo din. Okay? Siya nga pala 31 ka na, ako 51 na. So pagtanda ko, sabi mo 'di ba, lahat ng bag ko at saka jewelry ko ikaw magmamana. Bibigay ko sa iyo lahat 'yan, basta ikaw mag-aalaga sa akin pagtanda ko, ha. I love you, Ann. Thank you and enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Aten, and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Ann! We love you! Keep safe lagi!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Happy birthday, Nina!
Happy birthday, Anna Marie. Wish ko lang sana lahat ng wishes and dreams yung matupad mo. And we love you, we miss you, always take care.
Happy birthday, Ann. Ingat ka palagi dyan. More blessings to come.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Ate! Stay safe!
Happy birthday, Tata! Ingat po.
Love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Ann. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you sa pagmamahal sa mga bata. Tapos, ingat ka lagi. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tata. Thank you sa chocolate. Tsaka mang-ingat-ingat ka lagi-lagi. Birthday sa ating dalawa, Tata. Salamat sa lahat ng binigay mo sa akin. Stay safe. God bless. Happy birthday ulit!
And happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo palagi ay good health, have faith in God, dahil siya ang ating gabay. Matagal man tayo nagkalayo, pero alam ko, andyan ka pa rin nagpakatatag. Maraming salamat sa kabutihan mo at sa tulong mo sa amin, lalo na sa 3 mong mga pamangkin. Sana huwag kang magbago, anak. At ang isa ko pang wish para sa iyo, sana dumating na si Mr. Right. Again, happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, anak. Happy birthday. Ilan taon ka? Nahiiyak ako magsabi sa'yo. Katiwag ka na. Basta ang pangako na sa'yo, lagi ka magdadasal. Palagi tayo malakas, tayo lahat. Kapatid mo, mama mo, papa mo, mga apo, si Suwi mo. Yan lang ang ko sa inyo. Aking masaya ka. Tatiwang ka na. Ang payo lang sa iyo, maputi ka ng anak. Paalam. bahala ka kung gusto mo mag-asawa. Ang wish ko na sa'yo, huwag mo pabayaan ang sarili mo. Yan ang tandaan mo. Palagi kayo magdadasal. Dumaan tayo ng taon nito. Malakas tayo. Wala tayo na panang sakit. Yan lang pa ko sa inyo. Huwag yung papalimutan sa taas. Papa mo, tumatanda na. Naging mabuti kayo. Wala akong masabi sa inyo. Kanyang mga anak ko. Mahal po kayo. Yun lang masasabi ko sa iyo. Sa huwag yung sarili niyong pabayaan. Ang pakikisama, mga tita mo, alam matutulong mo, tulog mo sila. Ang kaya mo pang abot. Ang kaya mo lang. Yun lang ang sinasabi ko sa iyo. Maging masaya ka. Basta pag ko sa'yo maging ka dyan. Naranasan natin itong ng 2020. Yung virus, kawan na ng Diyos naman. Binigyan tayo palaging lakas. Wala man ka sa atin nangyari. Basta lang ko yan ang pangkulasan niyo. Huwag niyong papabayaan sa taas. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Yun lang. Happy birthday po.